hopping the machine, bro. Damn, listen to that thing purr. Oh, what kind of muffler you got on this, bro? Flowmaster. Alright, so right now we're going down to Outlaw Race Engines to get his money back, or pull his money back out from the engine he was going to build.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go pick up some parts.
We're going to take the parts that I have at Outlaw so I can stop using their beautiful shop as my garage. And we're going to another good buddy of mine's house to get some parts that I bought from him a long time ago. And then later today, we're picking up the hopefully final resting engine that's going in the Trans Am to complete this build.
That'll be way later today, though.
Yeah, it's later today.
So this is like a day thing.
Yeah, we're taking a whole day. We're going on a date.
Yep. Alright, so we just finished up at Outlaw, picked up his deposit. Now we're gonna go pick up the parts.
More parts.
More parts, and then head back to his house, chill out for a little bit, and then go pick up the new engine.
So,
This is the ghetto or part of Phoenix.
South Phoenix.
Yeah, South Phoenix, gotta love it. Alright, so we picked up some parts here. So we have the LS7 lifters here.
Got my little chrome radiator shroud.
Yeah.
Thanks, Tyler. ATI super damper balancer.
I think you were
A couple little things. My beef
away.
It is. Bam.
Here she is. Which we won't be needing the AC.
Yeah, we ain't gonna need that garbage.
Soon. Soon, my friends.
Yep.
We're taking baby steps. Baby steps when we want to take.
We're taking. Yeah. We took too many steps. Now we're about to leave.
Yeah, just dialing it back.
Yeah, we took too many. But depending on what I can sell the extra parts for,
Mm-hmm.
and how fast I can sell them, I will fire it in a month.
All right.
Bet.
I mean, first rule is don't put a time limit, but we're breaking the rules. That's what the rules are meant to be broken.
I broke that rule about 3 years ago
True.
when I put a time limit on it.
Yep.
Which I should have done originally what I was supposed to do in the first place.
Yep.
Because this is honestly what I'm doing now.
Yep.
2 years later.
This was the plan we're going with now is what the original plan was.
Before I thought I made more money than I did.
Life happens.
Yeah.
That's the whole gist of this.
Yeah.
Life
Life does happen. So don't take apart your car without consulting a therapist beforehand.
Why don't we say hi to the therapists?
The therapist. Yeah, the therapist.
Come on, hey, you get back inside.
Boy.
Come on,
Come on.
Loose. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Oh, no jumping up. No jumping.
Hey, stay down.
I like the microphone. Oh, Gushy. Hey, buddy. Nope. What?
Hold up.
Oh, damn.
Power tool's in my hand. Better watch out. Oh, that would look good.
Yeah, it would.
Hold on. Yeah, cleaning. After I drink my coffee. They're brand new lifters too. And they're gonna be soaked in oil. Ooh, I'm gonna drop them right in. Let's freshen this up a little bit before I yell at Tyler for selling me scratched up bullshit. That I also didn't look at before purchasing. But it's never my fault, so.
All right, so we just found out the guy who is selling Kobe the engine, he was supposed to have a cherry picker ready for us to bring it back to the house, but
I ain't got one.
yeah, we don't have shit. So found out he doesn't have a cherry picker, so we're gonna have to go get some 2x4s. He's already got chains ready for the LS. Yep. And so we're gonna go get some 2x4s and yeet the engine off of the truck. So. So we looked for like 30 seconds and couldn't find the chain. So hopefully homeboy still has a chain that we can use. Dude, focus! All right, so we're back at the house now, and we have our 5.3, which came with a 4L60. So a little bit of a adventure there.
Small adventure.
Yeah, as you can see, it's dark out now.
Yeah.
So we were there for quite a while trying to get this back here. Originally, we didn't think we were going to have a cherry picker, but we ended up getting one. Bringing it in, that was way easier. But yeah, we have it here. We're about to start taking some parts off.
Yeah.
All right, so we just started taking stuff off. Took the valley off, manifold, water pump. That's pretty much it. And took one of the valve covers off.
I'm also here.
Yeah, Gabe came. Feeling a little sick.
We're a little bit of a dilemma. This was not what was advertised. It was advertised a Gen 4, 5.3, 74K miles. If you look at that right there.
Yeah, here, you want to bring out your flashlight?
Yeah. That's not 74K miles.
Not under the manifold. This goes right underneath the manifold for people that don't
Well,
know.
and we looked at the cam. I don't know if you can see there. It's got a decent amount of wear on it. There was a little bit of metal, so
a little bit of metal shavings, and then show inside the heads.
the
See it too well, but look at all that carbon buildup.
whatever this was in was definitely not 74,000 miles, and it is definitely not a Gen 4 motor.
Yeah, so the way you could tell for Gen 4 to Gen 3, so on a Gen 3, which this is, here if I can get it to focus.
Are you focusing on this?
Yeah, right here. So
Oh.
there's no sensors here. For a Gen 4, there will be sensors right here on the timing cover, and so that's the dead giveaway that it wasn't a Gen 4.
Giveaways the heads. I mean, someone could swap them, but these were 862s, I believe,
Yeah.
which are equivalent to 241s. This should have a 799. We're probably gonna sell. He's gonna sell everything else plus the accessories to a buddy of ours that you have yet to meet, which will be more videos. He's putting an LS1 from that car in his Z32 300ZX. So a lot of stuff's gonna start happening. I think I finally fully dedicated to this car, so I'll actually start buying things for it. Maybe.
Yep.
We'll see.
All right. Well, before this battery dies,
Thanks for watching. We're out.
like it, subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.
Let's get this bread. 2019. Let's get it.
All right.